Hello everyone. In this tutorial we'll see how to model this model. As you could see there, let's start with new, right? Here I'll just choose the top plane as my reference. Over there I'll draw pentagons. The dimension you can define whatever you want. Right now I'll take it as somewhat 50 and 100. So first one is this, okay, and second one is this, and I'll make these two vertical now. And then dimension them 100 and 50. Yep, once this is done, go ahead, exit the sketch, and then create a 3D sketch. So dimension I will not take right now. I'll just draw a line from here which should be vertical to the plane, and I'll join this to midpoint of this particular pentagon. Okay, I'll keep this one as, let's say, 100 right now. Okay, later I need to change it. I'll showcase where exactly I need to change it. So let's make it somewhat, I think 100 is more right. Let's make it 50. Fine. Next thing is to deal with plane. I'll add a plane on this one. I'll use this line as a reference. On this plane, I'll draw hexagon now. 6. I'll add it up. I'll make it collinear now, and then the dimension should be same. So coincident for these 2 points. Got it? Yeah. So now next step is to deal with axis creation. I'll go ahead with axis. I'll choose point and plane here. As you could see, this, and then again same thing, this point and this particular plane. Now I want to create a point where these two axes coincident, so I need 2 points. I'll do the same, point 1 and again point second one. Now better to deal with surface and lofted surface. Now I'll create the lofted surface with this point and this edge. Same thing for the next one. I'll remove this. Yep. Once this is done, I need to draw the circle now. On this particular front plane, I'll just start with the center, let's say somewhat 100. Yep, I'm done with this. Now I'll just need to revolve this. I'll make quarter section for this now. Okay. And with this, trim extra thing and just revolve the sketch. Go with surfaces. I'll just select this, and now I need to use the trim surface to just trim the particular surface which is inside. So I want to keep this particular thing, so let me just select this one as to keep, remaining removed. Right now again I'll use the same sketch to revolve it so that I can create one more surface for this particular pentagon. Right, so I'll hide these things, not required now. Next thing is to deal with the thin feature. So let's say add 10 mm thickness. So from the mid plane or whatever the thing you want, you can choose it here. So let me just keep it 10 mm now for both. So I'll remove merge results, two separate bodies now. Next thing is to just revolve it. So circular pattern, I'll use it. Sorry. Yep. So here you need to make some changes, whether it is not fitting fine though, you need to make the changes over there. So I'll just use it. I'll make shell feature for these two. I'll make it 2 mm. Fine. Once this is done, next thing is to deal with fillets. I'll add 2 mm or okay, 2.5 is fine. Next thing is here 2.5 is I think more, right? Let me make it 1. Same thing for this. Once this is done, go ahead with circular pattern, right? So now next thing is to deal with copy bodies, so that I can move this one to exactly, let me just rotate this, right? Yeah, not with this axis. I need to choose that one, 120 degrees. No, just replace the axis there. Okay, this is done. I need to copy even hexagon. I'll do the same, not these all, this one. So I'll remove other. Yup, next thing is to just use circular pattern for this. I'll go ahead with that. Okay, I'll use bodies as I'm using bodies. I haven't merged them, so better to go with this. Once this much is done, next thing is to mirror everything at the top, right? I need to have the plane, but plane is not exactly there. Better to create a plane, right? So go with the point and plane reference. Yep. Now use mirror, plane, and here the features or bodies. Now I'll just mirror it. Now as you could see there, the positioning is not fine. I need to just rotate them, so I'll use move copy. Okay, now I'll just select this one, and here I'll just select the axis and I'll define 120 is not fine. I think 90, right? It's not working here. Just define it somewhat 90. I think even 90 is not good. So 180. Let me just check 180. Yeah, 180 is fitting fine. Go ahead with this. Remove everything. Your model is ready. Go ahead with coloring and just change the display style here. So let me just remove this. I'll apply the color now. That part. My favorite is red. Apply the red. So thank you. This is how you need to create this model. I hope this video might help you to create this kind of models. So stay tuned for upcoming reference models to work on it. Thank you.